Hello guys, today's video is very much important for those students who want to make career in technology and communication or who are thinking to take BTech CSC or IT in their graduation level. Today I am going to tell you about top 4 YouTube channel which is especially for you to learn different programming language like C, C++, C#, Java, web development and many more in this video. So without being delay, let's start our video. In number 1, we have Code with Harry. This YouTube channel is very much popular among today's students. I personally learn all the video related to programming from this channel. I am a big fan of this channel. In this YouTube channel, you will get all the tutorial of different programming languages like C, Java, Python, PHP, SQL, web development tutorial, and almost all other programming languages. The way Harry sir teaches and provide his handwritten notes, I think no any other had done. So I suggest you all please visit the YouTube channel and start your programming right now. So guys, you can see on my screen Code with Harry. You can find different programming language in the playlist. In the playlist you can find C web development tutorial, Android development tutorial, JavaScript, C languages, C++ tutorial and all other like Java tutorial and different practice sets along with note. Moreover, if you are not comfortable in Hindi language, Harry sir also have another YouTube channel called Programming with Harry, which is in English. So you can visit and learn the different programming language from here. And if you have any sort of problem related to the program, you can follow Harry sir in his Instagram ID. You can find his Instagram ID on his every YouTube channel videos. In number 2, we have Nourish IT Technology. This YouTube channel is also popular on YouTube channel among students who are pursuing their computer science, engineering and interested in programming world. This YouTube channel make you understand the core concept of all popular programming language very clearly in simple English language. Especially me as beginner program has a lot of problem in array and pointer in programming like me. At that time I found this YouTube channel and now I am clear. You can see on the screen this YouTube channel has different topic videos and playlist of different programming language. You can find the different category of video in playlist. This YouTube channel has different training session by experienced professor, different programming language tutorials, simple and advanced programming and competitive programming aptitude tutorials also. So friends, from this YouTube channel you can get a lot of things related to the programming. So I suggest you to check it out this YouTube channel also. In number 3, we have next YouTube channel mysurgery.com by Saurabh Shukla sir. Saurabh Shukla sir is one of the experienced and very good tutor. And this is also my favorite YouTube channel. You will get all the problems related to C, Java, HTML and CSS along with competitive programming video and playlist. You can check out the playlist in this YouTube channel. Moreover, mysurgery.com YouTube channel has 8 more channel. You can see on the screen he is having Java, C++, DSA, PHP, MySQL YouTube channel. I am sure that you will be 100% satisfied with this channel regarding the programming language, and I suggest you to check it out this YouTube channel also. Now the last but the most important YouTube channel is Edureka. I think all of you are well known about this e-learning channel. This one is most popular YouTube channel because of its wide variety of learning videos. If you are learning from this YouTube channel, then it is excellent, but for those who are beginner, I want you to know that you will be getting simple to complex type of programming courses over this channel. In this YouTube channel you will be getting learning videos from the India's top professor and the experienced teacher. As you can see that this YouTube channel has crossed 2.5 million subscriber and very near for 3 million subscriber, which is a very good example of its quality education. You can check out the different playlists of programming language like Python, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence and deep learning courses, develop courses, cloud certification courses and simple to fast programming language also, programming courses and big data courses. In programming courses we have Java tutorial for beginner, Python tutorial for beginner and C programming, big data courses and different other its playlists. And If you are not comfortable in English, this YouTube channel has videos in Hindi also, which is Edureka Hindi YouTube channel and Edureka Telugu YouTube channel, which is for Telugu language. So this is all about this YouTube channel. So please check it out, this YouTube channel. So guys, please check all 4 YouTube channel and please comment which one is your best channel for learning programs. At last, I want to tell you one thing which is told by every programmer, that to become a good programmer, you yourself have to give your full dedication. The college education and YouTube videos are only the medium to give you the idea. So if you are watching this video, I wish you would be a good programmer. Best of luck. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, comment and subscribe and press the notification bell for further more updates.